Are you feeling sluggish and craving that revitalized, energetic feeling? Tired of the toxins weighing you down? What if I told you that in just 3 days, you can give your liver a natural cleanse using a simple yet powerful grandma's recipe? It's time to flush out those toxins and feel your absolute best. Imagine waking up each day with more energy, clear skin, and better digestion, all by using ingredients you likely already have in your kitchen. 1. The power of garlic. Let's start with one of the key ingredients, garlic. You might already know that garlic adds a punch of flavor to many dishes, but did you know it's also a powerful natural remedy? Yes, that little clove is packed with benefits that go beyond the kitchen. Garlic benefits: fights bacteria, improves digestion, lowers blood pressure, detoxifies heavy metals. Garlic has been used for centuries to fight bacteria, improve digestion, and even lower blood pressure and cholesterol. But what makes it a superstar in this liver cleanse? Garlic helps detoxify heavy metals from your body, ensuring your liver doesn't have to work overtime. 2. The citrus hero, lemons. Next up, lemons. These bright citrus fruits aren't just for lemonade. Lemons are your liver's best friend, especially when it comes to detoxifying and reducing alcohol-related damage. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, lemons help stimulate liver function and flush out toxins. They also provide a natural boost to your immune system, making sure you stay healthy while cleansing. 3. The secret combination. So what happens when you combine the powerful properties of garlic with the cleansing abilities of lemon? You get a potent duo that does wonders for your liver. Together, they enhance your immune system, promote weight loss, and improve overall health, thanks to their antibacterial and antioxidant properties. 4. Adding honey for sweet benefits. Now, if you want to make this cleanse even more effective and delicious, you can add a touch of honey. This isn't just for taste. Honey has its own set of health benefits, like improving digestion, boosting energy levels, and providing a natural antibacterial punch. Cut to honey pouring into a jar. The sweetness of honey perfectly balances the tanginess of lemon and the boldness of garlic, making this recipe not just a liver cleanse, but also a treat for your taste buds. 5. The 3-day cleanse routine. So, how do you put this all together? Simple. Each morning for 3 days, mix cold water with a teaspoon of baking soda, a couple of cloves of minced garlic, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and a tablespoon of honey. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Trust me, your liver will thank you. By the end of those 3 days, you'll feel lighter, more energetic, and your body will have flushed out all those nasty toxins. It's quick, natural, and super effective. So, are you ready to feel your best? It only takes 3 days to give your liver the cleanse it deserves. Try this recipe, and let me know in the comments how amazing you feel after. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips that will keep you glowing from the inside out. Like, subscribe, and share.